Hey guys, Abel Ramos with Compass at our latest listing in Cielito Oaks at 30 Fairwood Lane, located on 0.65 acres, filled with majestic oaks. It's definitely one you're not going to want to miss, so let's check it out.
Nestled in the foothills of Santa Barbara, the Cielito Oaks neighborhood offers a private and tranquil living environment. This California ranch-style home is framed by Santa Barbara's iconic sandstone boulders and oak trees. The property totals 0.65 acres with a mix of intentional landscaping and natural oak groves. As you step inside the main house, the seamless integration of large windows and doors allows an abundance of natural light to flood the living spaces, providing a serene indoor and outdoor feeling that truly defines the essence of this property. The natural wood ceilings and beams and newly painted interior creates a cozy and charming atmosphere throughout the entire home. The kitchen features large French doors and transom windows, continuing the indoor and outdoor flow. With a recent cabinet remodel and interior paint upgrade, the kitchen fully captures the warm sunlight. The layout of this home offers the benefit of separation between the main living areas and the private living areas. The guest bathroom pays homage to the history of the home with Spanish tilework and mid-century glass block windows. Each bedroom has its own draw, whether it's the beautiful built-in office, garden view windows, or the large primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and incredible views from the direct access of the French doors. Backing up to 3 acres of greenbelt, this home offers optimal privacy and serenity. Continuing the theme of privacy, this property offers a detached casita, fully complete for your guests' convenience and enjoyment. This property would not be complete without a designated garden nook, complete with a custom garden enclosure and raised garden beds. The landscaping has been thoughtfully upgraded to include flagstone garden paths that lead throughout the entire yard, in-ground landscape lighting, rodent-proof netting, proper drainage, and a lot more. There are so many places to bask in the beauty of nature in this backyard.
Thank you for taking this tour with us. If you'd like more information, please reach out. 30 Fairwood Lane. I'm Abel Ramos with Compass. Catch you next time.